Of course, our two last games were not so good. We had some mistakes we made in the games, but it's all part of football. We learn each day, we learn in every game, and I'm confident in the team now. We're looking forward for a good result tomorrow and play our best football. The last game we played, we won at home 3-0 against Ivory Coast. So the one we played here was
Côte d'Ivoire.
sorry, Côte d'Ivoire. So the one we played here in Yamoussoukro, it was a good intensity game. It was a good match. Côte d'Ivoire played good, and they got the 3 points at home. And now we are back here, and we are looking forward for tomorrow's game.
We played a very important game for us against Ivory Coast. How do you say, Ivory Coast or Côte d'Ivoire? Côte d'Ivoire. Okay. Côte d'Ivoire more than a year ago. It was in June last year. We played well, and I saw the team in Africa. They didn't start well, but after this they played very well and they won the cup, which means that now they are the best in Africa. A very good team with a lot of good players. I cannot compare it with my team because I have a good team also, but I have a lot of respect to the team here, to the home team. First because they won, second they have players that play in the big leagues in Europe, and they are very good. But football, anything can happen. Not all the time the good team on the paper are winning. Yes, 2015 I was with Ghana in the final of Africa. I think all of you can admit that you was the better team. We hit the bar, we hit the post, but we lost in penalty. And penalties is not connected to the game. Of course, I congratulate the team and Renard, the coach. But my memories from the game is very good because we really play an amazing game. But unfortunately, we didn't score, and then we 0-0 went to penalty, which we lost in 22 penalties. But it was a good final. I think the good thing about Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire, sorry, is like I was in Ghana. There's so many players that play in Europe that the squad is such a big one. And by the way, this is our target in Zambia, and I think we are on the right way for this. We have players now who play in Europe, but we want more. One of them is the captain, and but we want more. I wish we come to the situation of this country and Ghana country when you compare before. In every position, you have players that play in the first team in the big league. And about absent, I think we missed, I didn't want to speak about this, but we miss top players with us. Patson Daka is injured, Frankie Musonda is injured, Kevin Kampamba, that's become one of our best players in Mazo died, and I feel sorry about this. He's not here, but I didn't speak about this. I speak only about the players that are here. And we have a good team. We are giving, I think, also for the future, combination between experienced players to young players, promising players. And I can speak only about my team, the team that, the players that didn't come. I think you need to ask the coach of the other team. One time when I was young, I had a meeting with the top coach. I said to him, what is good result for Saturday? He said, if we win 1-0 against the best team in the world, and the other team we lost in the last minute, it's not a good result. And if we won 1-0 down against the worst team, so football you never know. Football you start the game, and then but our ambition is to play good football. Our ambition is always to try to win. That's what I educated all my teams before, and that's what I say to Zambia. And the rest is happened during the game, and we need to adjust to this, but our aim is always to try to win. We're not coming for draw. I don't believe when you go to draw, most of the time you are losing. So, but in the other hand, the players need to adapt what's happening in the game, and you see.